What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just woke up not too long ago from a nap. Took a 3-hour nap like yesterday. Cause I think I woke up like at 5 today, so 5 a.m. And like recently just woke up like at 1:10, 1:15 around there ish. I'm getting hungry. This morning I ate some breakfast I had in the freezer. So like the ones you like heat up and stuff. I had one of those. So now I got hungry and it's currently 2:43. Must be 3 o'clock. I was thinking about gonna go buy something to eat, like already made and stuff. But I was like, nah, cause then if I get that, then I'm gonna get hungry later, and it's wild early still. I was thinking I'm gonna go to the supermarket and just remake to make and stuff. So that way, if I get hungry later, I remake it again. So yeah, I'm kind of trying to make a little bit of pork chops today. I have some potatoes and stuff, cause I don't want no rice. I'm getting tired of eating rice. I eat rice all the freaking time. So I'm about to head out to the supermarket right now. I literally just got, I was already dressed and stuff. Like I said, I was up early since 5 a.m. and then I stood up that whole time, and then like at 7:30, 7:20, almost 8 o'clock, I took a shower. Yeah, like I don't know what the hell this shit about, but anyways, I took a shower at that time, and then I laid down, and then like at 10 o'clock I ended up falling asleep. Like 10 a.m. I went to bed. My eyes were shutting down, and I'm not used to waking up some early, like for some reason at home. But so I made it back from the supermarket. What I got was, cause I was moving for pork chops, like I told y'all. So I got a pack of pork chops. I'm about to make up some potatoes, and it's a go. So, oh, and I got juice cause I didn't have any, and I got roll of toilet tissue, and that's about it. So I'm about to make that right now, and yeah. I'm just gonna do one potato because yeah. I'm gonna rinse them out in water for a little bit and let them sit there. I'm gonna prepare this. I'm just gonna do one because it's just me. Dang, this thing is huge. Look at this, y'all. Yeah, one is good. One is enough. The potatoes sit for a little bit. Let me rinse this bigger thing. I'm gonna rinse this out, the pork chop. Rinse out the potatoes. I have a thing on the stove ready. I'm gonna do everything in one thing because I'm not trying to wash half the dishes. So here's the potatoes. I'm gonna season them just a little bit so I can have like taste and stuff. So I don't taste too just a little bit of that. And I'll get back to you guys when I prepare the pork chop. Okay, I'm back. I just finished letting this sit for a few. That's a pork chop, by the way. This thing looks huge as hell, like, bro. But anyways, I just let it finish sitting for a few I'm gonna season it with some of this. Yeah, I didn't even spend that much money. I bet you if I would have went and got like actual meal home, like already made, I would spend like $20 or more. I spent like $7 here. So yeah, y'all. So I got my 2 things ready to go. My pickles, bro, what? My potatoes and my pork chops. I was gonna make corn, but I was like, I don't want to make too much because then I know I'm gonna eat all of it. So, and I'm not trying to waste food because yeah. So I'm about to put a little bit of oil on here, and yeah, let me just turn this on. Let it like warm up a little bit, and then yeah, once I put the stuff on it, I'll get back to you. Okay, y'all, I'm back. The pot is already like warm, so I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. I'm gonna throw them back together because I'm not doing it. Okay, I'm gonna start putting this stuff in. I'm starving, y'all. All I had is the breakfast, and I'm like at 9 a.m. Wow, like 8, 9 o'clock. But it was this morning, but I'm hungry now. So I already got it going there, so I'm gonna cover it so it could like cook a little bit more. So yeah. So I just finished making my food. Like I just took it out, and yeah, I'm about to eat right now. And I got some juice in my cup. I'm about to eat right now, y'all. Let's see how this tastes. The potatoes. So good. I don't know why, but I know I said this already, but I've been craving pork chops, so I was like, let me just make it. She's just great. So, it's currently I think like 4 o'clock right now. But I want to mix up this time. Yeah. It's 4:07 right now. This is like dinner type shit. Lunch, dinner, whatever. But yeah. I'm by myself. My boyfriend left PR today. So I'm supposed to be going over there too. But tomorrow I have a doctor's appointment. So sorry y'all. Depending on what they tell me in my appointment, depending on what they tell me, yes or no, then I'll go. If not, then it's fine. I would really like to go though, because you know, praying and hoping that I'm praying and hoping that they tell me yes, because I freaking hate not being around my boyfriend. Like, we be together 24/8. Literally, we live together and everything. But it's like, no, I want to be with you all the time. You know what I'm saying? Wherever you're at, I want to be at. That's where I want to be. So, I wake up early because I want to take a bath before I leave and stuff. I mean, I always take a bath before I leave. Yeah. So that's that. I low-key feel like this is not gonna fill me up, y'all. But I'm not gonna make another one because I'm trying to save it. Like, I have like 2 more left because the package came with 3. But I'm trying to save the other ones, one for later, for dinner, actual dinner. So yeah, I have like a bag of chips there I'm gonna eat after, and I have 2 soups there just in case I don't want to eat like heavy, so something light. So I have soups. I have 2 soups there. So yeah. And later I'm gonna see if I make me a lemon water. So I have a lemon there left over. So yeah, and I have plenty of water. So that's why I didn't get a gallon of water in the supermarket, because I still have. I was gonna go to Dollar Tree and stuff, but I seen that the weather thing, bro, this shit wanna break. The weather thing, I said at 3 o'clock it was supposed to rain. It looks gloomy as hell outside, but it didn't even rain. So I'm like, bro, I'm not going to anywhere. So I was just gonna go to like take a walk and stuff, but I didn't want to be out there and then it start pouring and then I'm gonna be asked out, because yeah. But I'll probably go tomorrow while I'm outside and stuff, like before I come back home. I'll probably go straight to 170 to go just like walk around and stuff like that. Well, and I said I was gonna wash clothes today, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I'll probably wash tomorrow or some shit. I don't know. Yeah, probably when I come back to my appointment. Hopefully I come back early, because my appointment's at like 11:30. It's almost 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna see if I wash clothes tomorrow. Yeah. Because I want to wash like the bed sheets and stuff like that. So, and definitely this time I want to wash my coat, because I don't remember the last time I washed it, and I'm lucky tired of wearing that coat, the green coat that I always wear. I mean, that's the only one I have, but I'm lucky tired of wearing it. But I wanna buy a new coat, probably like before the winter comes back. I want to get a coat. I want to get like a bright color, like a blue or some shit. I want to get like a bubble coat. So yeah, I love my coat. Like, I like it. It's warm and everything, but I'm just tired of wearing it, you know. That's like when you wear a sweater like back to back to back to back. You get tired of it, so then you want to purchase a new one, or if you do have a new one, you want to wear it. So yeah. I don't know what brand, honestly, of coat I want, but something not too expensive. Like not too expensive, not too cheap. Like just like in the middle type shit. So yeah, y'all. I got some juice too, because I love water, like I love it, but you know, sometimes you want something sweet in your system, something like sugary and stuff. So yeah. And since there's ice in the freezer and stuff, so I just put ice in my cup and just put some juice. But I'm gonna finish eating, y'all, and I'll get back to you guys. Ooh. I'll get back to y'all later or something. I don't know. So I'm back after like a couple hours. And I said I was gonna come back, and I really didn't do much after after I ate, all I did was just like go on YouTube, watch videos and stuff. What else did I do? Nothing interesting, because that's why I didn't like record or nothing. So it was just regular after that. And then was it? Oh yeah, I tried to take a nap, but I don't know, I couldn't go to sleep, so I was like, you know what, let me just get up. So yeah, so like I said, I didn't do much, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, till next time. Bye guys.